Good morning, students. Did you watch the previous video? Have you all finished the diagrams? If not, means finish it quickly, okay? Then send a photograph to me. Let us recall a small portion of it. Angles. An angle is a figure formed by two rays which have the same starting point. Here OA and OB are the rays and O is the vertex. Next, draw an angle 120 degree using protractor. Already we have learned to draw an angle using your protractor. Let us recall it. First of all, draw a ray. Name it as O and B. Place the protractor at the point O and its base coincides along OB. Now measure 120 degree and mark it as A. Now join O and A with the help of ruler. Is equal to 120 degree. Next, angle bisector. We have already learned how to bisect a line segment. Now, we learn how to bisect an angle. Bisector means cut it into two equal parts. Now, draw an angle 50 degree. So, draw a ray. And name it as B and C. Place the protractor at B and the baseline coincides along BC and measure angle 50 degree and mark it as A. Now join A and B. We get angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. Now we have to bisect it. So take your compass and with B as center, with any radius, draw an arc. It cut the angle at D and E. Now with D as center, with the same radius, draw an arc. And with E as center, with the same radius, draw another arc. It cut the previous arc at F. Now join B and F. Now we get angle ABF and FBE is equal to 25 degree. Next, draw an angle 60 degree using ruler and compass. Normally, we use the instrument protractor to draw the angles. But here, we have to use the ruler and compass only to draw an angle 60 degree. Let us learn how to draw it. First of all, draw a ray and name it as B and C. Now take your compass. With B as center, with any radius, draw an arc. It cut the ray BC at E. And with E as center, with the same radius, draw an arc. It cut the previous arc at D. Now join B and D with the ray and name it as BA. We get angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Finally, check it with the help of your protractor. We get angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Draw an angle 120 degree using ruler and compass. So first of all, here also draw a ray BC. Take your compass with B as center, with any radius, draw an arc. It's an obtuse angle, so draw an arc up to here. It cut the ray BC at D. With D as center, with the same radius, draw an arc. It cut the previous arc at E. With the same radius, with E as center, draw an arc. It cut the previous arc at F. Now join B and F and draw a ray and name it as A. Now check it with the help of your protractor. We get angle ABC is equal to 120 degree. Next, draw an angle 30 degree using ruler and compass. We cannot draw an angle 30 degree directly, but we have an idea. How do you do that? You draw an angle 60 degree and bisect it, you will get 30 degree. Yes? So first of all here, draw an angle 60 degree using ruler and compass. So first of all, draw a ray BC and take your compass with B as center, with any radius, draw an arc. Cut the ray BC at E, and with E as center, with the same radius, draw an arc. It cut at D. Now join B and D and name it as A. Now we get angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Now we have to bisect it. when we have to bisect it, we have to draw an arc from B, isn't it? Here we have already an arc. Cut the angles at D and E. Now, with the same radius, we have to draw an arc from D and as well as from E. It cut at F. Now join B and F. We get an angle FBC is equal to 30 degree. Draw an angle 45 degree using ruler and compass. Here also we cannot draw an angle 45 degree directly, but we can draw 90 degree and bisect it. We will get 45 degree. So now first draw an angle 90 degree using ruler and compass. We have already learnt the construction of a perpendicular to a line through a given point on the line. The same process for this diagram also, because perpendicular means it's make an angle 90 degree at the point. So draw a line AB and mark a point. P. Then with P as center, with any radius, draw a semicircle. It cut the line at C and D. With C and D as centers, with half more than CD as radius, draw two arcs. It cut at Q. Join P and Q. Now we get a perpendicular line. That means it's make an angle 90 degree. We have to draw an angle bisector for this angle. For this, we have to draw an arc from P. Already we have an arc. It cut PP at D and PQ at, mark that point as F. It's very, very important. Then with the same radius, draw an arc from F and D. It cut out R. Now join P and R. Now we get an angle R P B is equal to 45 degree. A small recap. Draw an angle 60 degree using ruler and compass without the help of protractor. First draw a ray and with any radius from the center point B, you made an arc. It cut at E, and with E as center, same radius, draw an arc. It cut at D. Now we get angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. If you make two arcs, we get 120 degree. Draw an angle bisector. First of all, draw an angle 50 degree. Then draw an arc. From its center, we get 2 points. And from the 2 points with the same radius, draw 2 arcs. It cut at F. It splits the angles into 2 parts. By the same way, if you bisect an angle 60 degree, you will get an angle 30 degree. Thank you, students.